What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Westo Angling video. Look at who I'm fishing with. Is this your first time on the channel, actually?
First appearance, yeah.
This is my brother Ryan. First appearance on the channel. We're gonna be doing some trout fishing today. We're out here in Branson, Missouri on a family vacation. We figured while everyone was going shopping that we'd come out here to this sick spot. I honestly don't know where it is, but we're in the middle of kind of nowhere and we are going to try and catch some trout.
Hopefully we have some luck today.
Hopefully we got some luck. So we're walking down this big stretch. There's certain areas where we can fish, certain areas where we can't. And yeah, let's see if we can make some magic happen today. Let's see if we can get Ryan on potentially his first trout ever. We don't know, but we're just gonna go with the fact that it is. And yeah, let's do it. We'll see you guys when we start casting. Start casting. Here, try that guy first. This is so sick. Just slowly reel. Ryan, I already got a fish. Guys. No way, it's a new species, Ryan. Whoa, look at that. No way, guys. First cast. That's I don't even know what that is. Look at that. I'll be honest, I have no idea what kind of fish that is. Like a long ear sunfish, maybe? That is so pretty. I think it's a long ear sunfish. Super, super pretty. Heck you go. There's a ton of long ear sunfish in here, which is actually super cool because that's not a fish. Got another one. Ryan, you got to throw this quick. They're tiny though. You got one? We doubled up.
Same thing as you.
Oh, no. Okay, come down here so you don't have to like lift them a mile high up. He's so tiny, but they're such, oh, come here. They're such a pretty fish, guys. This is super cool. And look at the area we're at. Like, this is such a cool place to catch fish. Back you go, buddy. Yeah, this place is sick and those fish are sick. That'd be a kind of fish like you'd want in an aquarium or something. Ryan, come down over here. Are you getting hit? Oh, there's one. I don't know what it is. It might be, this one might be a trout, Ryan. Something different. Hey, get the, is it a trout?
No, it's different. It's a new species.
Oh, it's just a big sunfish. We don't need the net. We're good. Hey.
If you're gonna fish, you need to check in and then fish it that way.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Just check in right over here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. There is a giant green sunfish right there. Back you go. You're gonna be all right. There you go. Is there any?
Talk to her.
Okay, thank you. What in the world? Oh boy. So basically what we're going to be using today as we're working this whole stretch is ultralight rod with my typical trout combo that I would use back in Nebraska, even though there is a good chance of catching some big ones, and mostly probably going to be using the Panther Martins. Panther Martins are like my all-time go-to favorite trout lure. That's what we're going to be sticking with. So yeah, man, let's just see if we can toss these around and get hooked up. You guys will be the first to see. There's a ton of fish in there, dude. One more cast.
Got it stuck and I got it out somehow.
Good.
Look at that. You see that? Like,
Got one, Ryan.
see that?
Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go on the jerk bait. No, he's stuck in the rocks. He got me stuck in the rocks. Oh, no, he came off. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh, dude. Dang, he got me stuck up in the rocks. Well, okay, a couple more casts right here. That was insane. Yeah, right? Dude, look at how big that one is. He's coming over to it. Got one, Ryan? Yep. Got one, guys, first trout. I'm gonna come towards you. I don't wanna break them off. It's first trout of the day. Let's go. You can, woohoo! You can leave them in the water for now. Wanna get my pliers? My first trout of the day. We're gonna get him back. Back he goes, super slowly. There he goes. This is so frustrating. Keep like going after it, and then they, right as they get to it, they let it go, or they don't even commit. We've been seeing so many fish, but haven't caught any. So let's see if we can make something happen here. There's one. Whoa, what a jump. Ryan, got one. What a jump. Holy cow. Finally got one. Finally. Oh, and he came off. Came off. But he was jumping, he fell off like right there. There's one, Ryan. All right, you're throwing this after me. This is the one consistent lure so far. There we go, we're hooked up, baby. Let's go. Right there. You come down right here. This is better than the other spot. Finally. Come on, get over here. We're gonna get him in right away. Right away. Come on. He does not want to. There we go. No, Ryan, come on. Net man, let's go. There you go. Yep, nice. Yep. Second rainbow of the day right there. Very pretty fish. Got one. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Net, Ryan? Stay pinned. Let's go. Stay pinned. You're not going anywhere. Oh my goodness. Finally. Oh, there he goes. He's off. On the Panther Martin. Finally having a lure that is working here. These guys are so feisty. They do not want to be picked up. Let's see. You can show them off quick for you without dropping them. There you go. Okay. Well, we're gonna get another underwater shot for you guys. Beautiful fish, super clear water. Can't beat that. We're gonna see if we can get Ryan on the board now. Ryan. In the waterfall. Let's go. No. We got loose on our drag a little bit. He's trying to take me up in the rocks. You got to cast in here when I'm done. These fish are so aggressive over here. I don't know how we're going to get it. We got to go all the way over here. Sec. It's coming. Come on. Let's go. Woo. Here we go. Now we can take good care of the fish. Got one? Ryan, you horsed it. Don't horse it. You're pulling it right out of his mouth. Bro, there you go. There you go. Here. Don't horse it. Don't horse it. Let him do your thing. Yep. I'm going down in the water. Yep. Keep him there. Come here. Yep.
Let's go.
Dude. Come here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's what's up. You want to come down and get in the water quick? Oh, shit. Oh, I got him.
Saved it?
No. He's gone.
So close.
Oh.
Hey, caught it.
You caught it.
Did you get on video?
Yep. I knew you could do it.
I'm doing it again.
Yeah, stay in that spot. There's still more in there. That feel good? I was like, I'm just getting in the water. I'm not letting this fish. Of course it does end up getting away, but at least we netted it. Come on. Yep. Ryan, you got it. Yep, good job. I'm going back down.
Let's go.
That's 2 now.
Number dose.
Let's go, dude. There you go, guys. Ryan's got his trout. Let's get him back in the water. He's kind of bleeding. There he goes. Oh, under my legs. Where'd he go? Dude, he's hiding by my foot. Oh. 2 in a row. Nice. Good stuff. Guys. Oh my goodness. Another little creek chub. Heck yeah. There we go. Another little creek chub. Back you go, buddy. It's the only hole I've found those guys in so far. I don't really want to catch them, but hey, I will take what I can get. Got one. Got him. Yep. Dude, I was just jigging it right there. Oh my gosh, that was so sick. That was so sick. Here. Oh, I got it. Dude, I was just jigging it right next to that rock and he came up and smoked it. Let's go. No, came off. Gosh, dang it. It's all right. That was a sick eat though. Woo. Me too. You got one? Ryan's hooked up. Let's go. Get the net. Good stuff. Oh, there we go. Woo! There you go. Another one. All right, you can pick them up. How's it feel?
Good.
Wait. Feel good?
Yeah.
Nice. Let's show him off. All right, let's get him back. He's bleeding. There you go. Dude, let's go. Woo! You see any?
Yeah, as soon as I started to reel it in really fast because I had a bead on it, one trout was flying up.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Dude, what is happening? Are you? Yeah. Let's go. No, I got a pumpkin seed. Let's go. Oh, dude, that thing is so sick.
Is this sunfish?
Yeah, green sunfish. Dude,
How do you hold these ones?
you can lip them.
Okay.
This thing is so sick.
Throw it in there.
So little. Cool place. Just weird rules. We are done fishing for the day. I'd say it was a pretty successful day. We had our trials and tribulations with trying to hook the fish, but we ended up making it happen. Ryan ended up catching a few fish. I caught some fish. Caught some different species as well, new species, the pumpkin seed, I think. Long ear, pumpkin seed, long ear, I don't know what it is, but.
Yeah, great experience. Had trouble at first getting any fish, but we're able to get some, so yeah, excited.
Yeah, I'm glad he caught something. So it all worked out in the end. So thank you guys so much for watching another Westo Angling video. Like and subscribe if you would like to see Ryan in more videos, and yeah, we'll see if we can make that happen. So
Like the video.
We are signing off. Ryan, you want to hit the camera?
Boom!